Welcome to the Crypto Investments channel. In this video I will talk about Filecoin price prediction and Filecoin news today. If you like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Write in the comments your price forecast for Filecoin in 2022. Filecoin is a decentralized storage system that aims to store humanity's most important information. As part of the initial offering, ICO, in 2017, the project raised $205 million. The launch was originally scheduled for mid-2019. However, the Filecoin mainnet launch date has been pushed back until block 148,888 is reached on October 15, 2020. The project was first described back in 2014 as an incentive layer for the Interplanetary File System, IPFS, a peer-to-peer storage network. Filecoin is an open protocol. It is backed by a blockchain that records the commitments made by network participants through transactions made using Fil. Fil is the native currency of the blockchain. Blockchain is based on both proof of repetition and proof of space-time. Filecoin was founded by Juan Bennett, who also created the Interplanetary File System. Bennett is an American computer scientist who studied at Stanford University. After founding Protocol Labs in May 2014, he visited Y Combinator in the summer of 2014, with the intention of finding support for IPFS and Filecoin, among other projects. Investors. It jumped from $11.02 to $28.39 in its first week on CoinMarketCap, an increase of more than 150%. Filecoin hit a record high of $237.24 in April of 2021. The top price of the cryptocurrency marks a 4,600% gain from its ICO price of $5. As of its height, a $1,000 investment in Fil would have been valued at about $50,000. Tezos XTZ is another coin that started its pre-sale in 2017 and is one of the largest in cryptocurrency history. Tezos XTZ raised almost $232 million in less than 2 weeks. In the words of its creators, it's the last cryptocurrency, and it's meant to last. XTZ holders have the option of voting on proposed protocol changes. Tezos XTZ coin holders achieved an all-time high in October 2021, notwithstanding this fact. This raises the issue of whether Filecoin (FRPN) can replicate its rival's prior success. Early investors have seen the value of their investments in FRPN more than double in a matter of hours, and this is just the first round of the token pre-sale. There is still plenty of time to invest in the whole pre-sale, which is predicted to grow by more than 1,000% in the next stages. With little over 40 days remaining in the FRPN pre-sale, there is still time for prospective buyers to take advantage of this fantastic deal. In fact, the long-term holders have also been choosing to sell their tokens. For investors' sentiment to stay strong, the coin's social dominance plays an important role. Well, Fil's social dominance has been below zero after 10 November 2021. It simply sets out to equalize that the token wasn't being discussed even during the bull market. To put it simply, Filecoin hasn't been getting attention from the investors who are willing to make money. Amidst all the negative signs, it's important to note that the development activity has been on a rise, despite the massive fall in price. In fact, the Filecoin team seems to be leveling up its game post-December 2021. At the time of this analysis, the development activity stood strong at 48.45 counts. However, it remains to be seen if the development activity alone can take Fil up the price charts. And second, use Filecoin. Will the next couple of months usher in an uptrend? Filecoin, Fil points, the price hasn't responded to it at an equal level. RSI, at the time of writing, stood at the 49 mark looking south. Notably, technicals make it obvious to understand that the current market isn't offering buy the dip opportunity. But what about the metrics? Well, the price chart may not be able to show the latent money-making opportunity. But on-chain metrics reveal the true picture. And, in the case Filecoin, the scenario looks dull and worrisome. The on-chain volume has been decreasing unexpectedly. Even though there have been a few upticks in 2022, but none of it could match the highs of 2021. This clearly reveals that traders have been exiting their positions. And for cross-chain transactions rises, Filecoin (FRPN) looks to be in a great position to gain on other cryptos, while also providing significant value to its holders. Filecoin, Fil, and Tezos, Tez, are two such currencies that fared very well during their pre-sale, XTZ. With the Filecoin, Fil, pre-sale started in 2017, it had already generated more than $250 million United States dollars. The debut of Filecoin, Fil, was well worth IPFS and Filecoin. A special tutorial has been written for this addressed to developers. Besides, a grant of $5,000 has been announced for projects that are eligible for integrating IPFS and Filecoin. The next use Filecoin. Will the next couple of months usher in an uptrend? Filecoin, Fil, has vigorously lost most of its value in the last year since its April 2021 high. In the last 6 months, bulls could barely initiate a sustainable rally and succumb to the long-term bearish trendline resistance, weight, dashed. The alt now aim to enter into a tight phase in the $18-20 mark before testing its critical support and making a trend comical move. At press time, Fil traded at $18.38, down by 2.37% in the last 24 hours. Over the past year, Fil lost more than 92% of its value and witnessed a rather swift downturn. The alt saw two descending triangles in the last 6 months as the bears displayed their one-sided dominance. Consequently, it fell below its near-term EMAs while forming a sturdy trendline resistance. Not surprisingly, the super trend remained in the red zone since September of last year. With the recent fall, Fil fell towards its all-time low on 24 February at the $16 mark. The sellers have been pushing the peaks course forecast 2025. Fil has great potential. With certain interactions and innovations, it is possible to increase the number of users and advertising. If the market focuses on investing in Filecoin, the price could rise much higher. By 2025, it may reach a maximum value of $109.46. Fil is expected to reverse slightly if the market goes down. The year 2025 could end with an average price of $93.17, a minimum price of $90.60, and a maximum price of $109.46. Fil price prediction 2026. The value of Filecoin will rise, thanks to the efforts of network developers and community investors. Therefore, the settlement price for the year 2026 is bullish. Fil is expected to top out at $159.12 by the end of 2026, according to analysts. On the other hand, it is very optimistic that the future of Filecoin will eventually grow. Thus, the predicted average Fil price will be between $128.11 and $132.77 expected in 2026 depending on the market. As stated in the same slogan, Fil's maximum price ranges from $128.11 to $159.12 for 2026. Fil price prediction 2027. Fil will be seen as the best option, and with a huge community, the Filecoin price will reach new highs. Price swings are hard to predict, especially if the market is more bullish or bearish than ever. For the year 2027, the Filecoin rate will be almost $180.24. The maximum bet we can get is $216.72. Filecoin average price prediction for the end of 2027 could be around $185.55. A huge price turnover is expected in the range determined by the cryptocurrency market. Filecoin price prediction 2028. It looks like by 2028, Fil prices will hit a level similar to their previous all-time high. For 2028, we can expect the average rate to be $277.57. If everything goes smoothly, we predicted that Filecoin's maximum price could be up to $312.37 in 2028. Of course, there are chances that the market will fall after a long bull run, and this is normal for the cryptocurrency market. Filecoin price prediction 2029. Volatility drives the cryptocurrency market. Today it is not easy to predict and keep up with current prices. This is where many cryptanalysts come into play. Price projections are correct for the years indicated. Cryptocurrency consumers remain concerned about cryptocurrency bans and new restrictions. Filecoin could cross $472.60.